In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Tradingview drawing templates. By the end, you'll be able to save your favorite drawing styles. Apply them in a click and keep your charts consistent and clean. Start by opening any chart you are actively analyzing. Templates are tied to the drawing tools you use on that chart, so we'll begin with a simple example. Choose a drawing tool like the trend line from the toolbar. Once you've placed a line on the chart, open its settings by double-clicking the object. Here, customize the look to match your preferences. Adjust the color to something that stands out. Set the line thickness and style, and tweak any extras like opacity or endpoints. When you are happy with the style, look for the template icon in the settings window. It's the one that looks like three little boxes with a plus sign. Click it and select Save As. Give your template a clear name so you'll recognize it later. Then save. That's your reusable style, ready to go. To apply your saved template to a new drawing, add a fresh object to the chart using the same tool. Double-click it to open the settings again. In the template drop-down, you'll see the name you just saved. Select it and the drawing instantly adopts your saved colors and styles. This is especially handy when you are marking multiple levels, trend lines or zones and want them to look consistent without reconfiguring each one. If you find yourself using the same style every time, set it as the default for that tool. Open the template menu in the settings and choose your template as the default. From this point on, every new drawing you create with that tool will automatically use the saved style, saving you clicks and keeping your charts uniform. You can always switch to another template or change the default later, so you are never locked in. Over time, you might want to refine how your templates look or tidy up ones you no longer use. In the Settings menu, you can manage your templates by renaming them for clarity, updating them to reflect new styling choices, or deleting the ones you don't need. Keeping this list lean makes it faster to find the exact look you want, especially when you work with several tools. That's the essential workflow. Thanks for watching.